Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about SIM300 basic AT commands. As you can see, this is the SIM300 module available with me. This is the antenna, and this is the slot for inserting your SIM inside that module. Now there are two status LEDs. One is the power LED and other is the signal LED. As you can see, the power LED is continuously on while the carrier LED is blinking after 3 seconds. It means that the module is receiving signal. If the LED is blinking faster than 3 seconds, then it means that your SIM is not receiving the signal and you need to check the card whether it's inserted properly or not. So, and I'm using a USB to serial RS-232 converter for this tutorial. Now I'll show you the port that becomes available due to that converter. As you can see, this is the COM port 7, prolific USB to serial COM port 7. Now I'll be using TerraTerm for the entire tutorial. Let's start the connection. Serial COM 7. Okay, so let's start with the first command, that is AT. When you send AT and if you receive OK, it means that your hardware is working properly. Next is AT plus CLTS. AT plus CLTS. So this will give you the local time stamp. Then the first thing you need to check is whether your module is recognizing the SIM that is inserted. So for that we have a command called AT plus CSMINS. So no, you have to put a question mark to check the status. Now 0, 1, the 1 indicates that SIM is present. If there is a 0, it means that the module is not detecting the SIM card that is inserted into the module. Now if you call your number, you will see ring ring on the screen. Let me just try it. So there's some fault with this. Whenever I call once, it gets disconnected and the signal is lost. Now you can see that the LED is blinking continuously and the delay has decreased from 3 seconds to something lesser than that, probably 1 second or so. Now if you will try the same command, AT plus CSMINS, you'll see 0, 0, it means that the SIM is not recognized. Now I'll just power off the device and turn it on again so that I get the signal. This SIM300 module can provide SMS and call functionality to your project. You can send SMS to whatever person you want to send, or maybe receive some SMS from someone. So it depends upon your application. This module can be interfaced with any microcontroller. They have inbuilt MAX232 IC which gives RS232 to TTL conversion. Now the LED is blinking after 3 seconds again. So let me just check again that whether the SIM is okay. AT is giving okay. Now AT is giving okay. Now let's check the SIM inserted. So 0, 1, as I said, this will show 1 when the SIM is recognized. Now moving on to the messaging features, the message format, AT plus CMGF. So the current value is set to 1. It means that the text format is enabled. There are two modes basically, PDU and as text. In PDU, the data will be sent as binary bits, and in text it will be sent as text characters. So we have set the basic default setting is as 1. Now CMGR is the command for reading messages. MG message R read equal to and the number, message number, for example 1. So hello again. So this is the message that was stored in this memory location. So this is how you read a memory stored in your device, or rather the SIM300 module. Now I can probably check the next memory location, MGR equal to 2. So okay, testing, there is one more message. So now if you want to check the memory storage, preferred memory storage, there is one command called AT plus CP MS. One thing you need to know about these commands is that when you press equal to and question mark send after the command, it will tell you all the possible values that this command will accept. So all the three fields will accept only SM, that is SIM memory maybe. So, and if you want to check the current value that is stored for that particular command, you can just press question mark. So it says that SM 3,70, 3,70, 3,70. Those three are for, I guess, reading, writing, and deleting messages. So currently there are three messages in my device memory. You can delete a message. For example, if you want to delete the first message, AT plus CMGD equal MGD equal to 1. So the first message is now deleted. Now if you try to read that MGR equal to 1, it will send okay, but there is no message in that particular memory location. So that is how you delete a particular message using CMGD command. Now let's move on to incoming message. Let me just send one message to my device. So I've sent one message to my device. Let's see what happens. Okay, we got that CMTI SM, 1. So this is the default new message notification. So CMTI SM1. So it means that there is a new message in SM1. Let's try to read that. AT plus CMGR message read equal to 1. So as you can see here, this is unread. This message is unread, labeled unread, and this is the message. Here is the mobile number from which it is sent. Next, when you try to read that message again, it will show that particular message as read. So as you can see, now it's labeled as read. Now for certain applications, you just directly want the text message and not this kind of notification that plus CMTI SM, 1. For that there is one command called CNMI, AT plus CNMI. So it has various fields, but setting this to 0, 2, 2, 0, 0 will make the message directly so basically the module will send the SMS via serial port. Let's try it once again. Message let's check what's happening. Yes. So as you can see, after setting this CNMI to 2200, the module has directly flushed the SMS that has arrived via the serial port. So this is how you can basically directly forward the message to your microcontroller and manipulate that particular message. You can save these configurations using CSAS and basically ATI. There is one more command, ATI. So this, as you can see, this is from Simcom SIM300, and there's a revision, and so basically that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed the lecture and it was informative.